Hi guys, how are you doing today? Today I've got quite the video. Um, I was a bit spendy this past Christmas. Um, to myself, Christmas present to myself. It's just arrived. I have ordered a Apple Watch and AirPods main reason because of my running. Now I ordered these, when did I order them? I ordered them on Thursday, which would have been the 30th of December in the evening, and I picked them up today, which is the 3rd of January, which is the bank holiday today. I ordered it from John Lewis, and it came into Waitrose, which where I ordered it into. I originally wanted to order it or go into store. I wanted to go into the Apple store and I want to go in the Apple store, try it on and buy it from there. But you have to make an appointment now to go into the Apple store to look, buy it, do anything. And the nearest one to me is Milton Keynes, so I would have gone there. I tried to book an appointment. You have to select what you want to view, like what your interest is, and then it will tell you if there's appointments. So I obviously selected, well, I couldn't select just Apple Watch, it was like Apple Watch try on, that's it. That was what the option was for the Apple Watch. Selected that, selected Milton Keynes, none available. And I think the nearest one available was in Kingston upon Thames, and I wasn't planning on going over there. Thank you, just to get the Apple Watch. I then looked on Currys, because there was Currys in my town. Nada, not the one I wanted anyway. Which was, and let's just open it now. This one isn't actually the one I originally wanted, but it's fine. This is the Apple Watch Nike edition. It's actually, well, it's the SE 40mm. I originally just wanted the SE 40mm, but the Apple Watch Nike edition is literally the same price, and it comes with the Nike Run Club app. I'm hoping, I think from what I've read, it comes already installed, which is the app I use to go for a run anyway, so it might as well do that. I don't really like the band of it, but bands can be changed. And I think AirPods were available everywhere, and these I think are just the 2019 edition, but literally I'm fine with that. I only use Apple headphones anyway because I find they're the best. They're around, what, they £25, the normal ones. This is obviously a bit more expensive than that, but I just use those for my laptop, work, everything. So without further ado, I'm going to unbox this. I did bring my standy knife, like art craft knife, but there is a tab here to open it. Is there anything? It does include the USB-C charging cable, power adapter sold separately, but I've got one of those for my phone, so that's fine. It just means if I want another one, how are you meant to do it? It says pull here. Oh, okay, there we go. Ooh. Okay. Oh, and there we go. Just, that's how that happens then. Here we go. How do we open? Does it open from the bottom? There's these big like ring. I don't quite understand. Normally like an Apple box, because I've had a few Apple phones in my lifetime. I don't understand. Open. I don't understand. Okay, I just watched a tutorial on how to open the freaking box, which I'm going to have to do just here. Apparently you pull. Okay, that was a lot easier. So basically these are hooked in there, and then it just slides open. So we've got, oof, let's not do that, shall we? So we've got this box. Be easier if I did this on a table, and then I'm guessing the band. Is there anything else in the box? I think that's literally it. We've got this kind of design in the box. That's the bottle there, isn't it? And that. So this, I'm guessing, like a normal Apple box, will take literally an hour to open. So like that. Okay, and then the Apple Watch is on this side. Literally so tiny. And then here, okay, under this, so this would be like the instructions are in this, with designed for athletes by Apple and Nike. And then we've got the charging cable in there. And then in this one, how does this one open? Okay, there's a, I just hit myself in the face. There is a tab here, which I cannot get to. There we go. Let me put that in there so I remember where that came from. And then quite the process, isn't it? And then open it up like this. We've got more bits at the bottom. It smells a bit funky. Okay, there's like a freaking lot of stuff I need to read. And there is the rest of the watch. Okay, I'm going to set that up in a minute out of shot because I think that's wise, because otherwise I might drop it. I'm going to open the AirPods now, which need me to do a little bit of incision. Okay, a bit more than that, apparently. Now this is where it gets all stuck to me. So out of the outer packaging, wait, what does this say includes? So with charging case, I might have to buy another thingy if I want to charge all of these at the same time. Designed by Apple in California. And then we've got this here. Okay. With the little tiny thing, headphones inside. Okay, I'm gonna go away and set up the Apple Watch and then I'll come back to you. Okay, I think I've set up my Apple Watch now. As you can see, can you? I don't know, I've not actually tried it on yet. Yeah, so it's got the Nike logo. I don't think this focuses when it's like this way around. And just looks like I'm not actually mad at the band now. Can you let me know? Do you have to? I probably will work it out by this point. I just want it to be off. Might have to put the long band on, you know. I'd never thought I would. This is quite tricky to put on, isn't it? Or I'll just have to get the knack of it, won't I? Okay, I think I might have to put the long band on. As you can see, I'll have to play with it and have a look at it. But yeah, that is my Apple Watch on my wrist. And that is the unboxing of it. If you have any tips with Apple Watch, or if you've got an Apple Watch, please let me know, because I would be so grateful, because I have no clue what I'm doing. I'm going to have to turn off the raise the thingy feature. Do you have to put in your password each time to be able to log in? Because that's really annoying if you do. And I was uploading or downloading like WhatsApp, but it hasn't done it. Do I have to connect to the Wi-Fi? That's probably a good idea, isn't it? Anyway, okay. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll have to get the knack of it and how to do things. I think I'm going to put the other band on, but I've actually bought a screen protector for this, so I'm going to do that now, I think. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. It seems so weird to have a watch on again. I haven't worn a watch in ages. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're not already, please subscribe. Follow my Instagrams down below as well, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.